What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. I don't know you, you don't know me. I just got here. I don't know where I've been. You know, who knows? Okay. Now this video could go a couple different ways. You're gonna tell by the title how this video went, because right now I don't know the title. It could be something very clickbaity. It could be something like, this is the greatest thing that's ever happened to me. We're just on this, we're on this ride together. All right. We see this package. I didn't expect much. They were $20. Can't tell you when I ordered these. Months ago. So, but I think everybody knew, like, it wasn't, you know, they weren't coming in a timely fashion. Looks like a tripod case. Whatever. Yeah, I got a size 3. I don't even remember the size chart. I think 3 was like 12 and up or 11 and up. So hopefully they fit. But we got the Yeezy pods. AirPods. MJ, do you have to breathe that loud? AirPods, Yeezy pods. Let's just do it, you know? Like, let's do it. $20, so you know you had to cop. So they had like a t-shirt for $20. Like, I don't even remember the other thing, maybe shorts, or the t-shirt looks crazy. Like, if you put that on, you're a weirdo. Like, bro, the sleeves are like way down, and like I'm pretty sure it doesn't fit you, so like you wear it and like half your stomach is out. But like, I don't know what that is. There's no way. But I saw these. I was like, is this a shoe or is it socks or is it, there's a bottom? But yeah, so I have a very wide foot. Actually, scratch that. I have a very long, skinny foot, but it's flat. Like, I have no arch. So if this has any sort of arch support or anything in this, which I can't even tell, but hopefully they're good. We're gonna have to go mobile because I'm gonna put these on. We're gonna have to go mobile. And yeah, we'll kind of see how it goes. And I'm gonna wear socks. It came with a shipping packing slip. It didn't come with instructions. It doesn't say, are you supposed to wear these barefoot? Are they socks? Are they shoes? Do I take these outside? Can I go to Top Golf in these? What are they? Are they house shoes? There's no instructions. There's no rules. This is the Wild West with these. Okay, let's do it. We got the left one and we got the right one. All right. All right. How are we gonna set this camera up? Okay. MJ, I'm sorry you're in here, but you have to be. All right. We're gonna put this over my sock like this. And we're gonna line it up with the padding. It's over the sock, which I'm like, I guess you probably could barefoot these, but that would be a little awkward. I can't tell if they're on. Okay, I think they're on. Okay. I like what's going on. I don't know what's going on, but I like what's going on. So I'm not in high school anymore. Like, I don't have a high school girl to tell me, should I high, do I high sock it? Because, you know, you walk in high school, a girl go, ugh, why your socks so high? And then you gotta roll them down. You're like, oh, she cooked me. You gotta put them down like this. But do you go high or do you go low? I'm not in high school. I don't have any high school friends. Nobody can tell me if I'm cool or not. So, who sets the trend, you know? All right, let's feel them. Let's feel them out. Hold on, hold on. We might be up to something with these. We might be. Hold on, hold on. I gotta put on the other one now. BRB. You know, I'm liking the. Let me jump. Whoa, whoa, bro. My dog's hair is gonna be all over these, but I like what we're doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just like the vibe. So they feel comfortable. Like, we're moving. It doesn't hurt my foot at all. You know, these are it. I'm sorry. These are a go-to. These are a go-to. Boop, 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 boop. Back pedal, back pedal, back pedal. Like, I could do closeout drill. Hand up, you know? Like, wow, hold on. Hold on. Hold on, this is good. This is good, you guys. This is good. Alright, let me get real. Let me get serious. Okay, I'm back. Yeezy, we did it. Yeezy, we did it. They feel good. They fit good. I'm a size 12, very long foot. The size 3, I guess, fits. Couldn't tell you if it didn't fit. Couldn't tell you if it does fit. There's still room in the top of these for me. So it's like, do I want them more room in the top or more room in the back? No diddy, but I'm gonna just save myself because I don't know if that was crazy. Yeah, we'll take them. We'll take them. $20? Like, I'm gonna buy a pair every month because I don't buy any other shoes anymore. You know? Focus. Let's get back right. Let's get back right. You're struggling. Alright, we back. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna buy some every month because might as well, they're $20. But if they do take 3 months to ship, that means I gotta buy one for every 3 months in advance. So if I want one in August, I gotta buy it now. And yeah. But yeah, no, I like them. We'll take them. And I'm pretty sure you can wear these without socks because it's starting to feel weird. So I feel like I'm double socking it, but there's no rules. How was I supposed to know? Okay, yeah. Yeah, if your feet sweat a lot, these might not be good for you. It kind of feels like your feet could get really hot in these. So feet sweat might be an issue, but a pretty decent house shoe. Walk around. I wouldn't really trust these. Like, don't go to the Vegas Strip with these on. They might melt off your foot. But yeah, so good walk around shoe, I guess. Wonder how these would do with like sand. Would sand get in? We're doing too much. But yeah, just wanted to check in. Mark Kicks, we in the building. Stay tuned. I don't know what I'm saying stay tuned for because I don't know what's next. Burn.